Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie, and on today's episode, we are making cinnamon rolls. Oh my God. Okay, let's try that again. These cinnamon rolls. They're perfect and fluffy, and you're gonna love them. Let's get started. To make the dough, we're going to start with 2½ teaspoons of active dry yeast and 1 cup of warm water. Then we're going to let that sit for 5 minutes. You don't want the milk hot, just warm to the touch. If your yeast doesn't bubble or foam up like this, likely your yeast has gone bad. To the yeast, we're going to add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 4½ cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of softened butter, and then using our dough hook, we're going to mix on medium speed until the dough cleans the bowl. And this is what cleaning the bowl will look like. It'll just pull the dough from the sides. Now we're going to cover the dough with plastic wrap and allow it to rest in the fridge for 30 minutes, or you can let it sit overnight. Now we're going to make our filling. Now when rolling out the dough, on a lightly floured work surface, you're going to roll in different directions and always maintaining a rectangular shape. So if you have to get the corners, but I just try to keep it square or rectangular the whole time. Now overall, my dough is about 16 inches long and 9 to 10 inches wide. Now we're going to spread our filling over the dough. Make sure to leave a little space on the edges. Now when shaping the rolls, that first roll needs to be tight, so I will roll the dough towards myself and then firmly press the dough into the filling mixture. Then using either a pastry brush or your hands, just gently wipe the excess flour away. Now some people like to use the melted butter and then sprinkle brown sugar and cinnamon. I just don't like that. I feel like the filling always melts out, but you do whatever makes you happy. Now I've got a bench scraper, or you can use a sharp knife, just indent your rolls. This recipe will make 12 good-sized cinnamon rolls, but I went with a smaller shape, so I got about 16 out of this. Now spray a baking pan and then evenly space out your rolls. If they touch slightly, that's perfectly fine. You're just going to cover this with plastic wrap and put in a warm spot to proof. I usually give it about an hour. I like to put mine in a cold oven with just the light on. Then remove the rolls and preheat your oven to 350 and bake for 20 to 30 minutes. While that's baking, we're going to make our cream cheese frosting. You're going to need 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/2 cup or 8 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of vanilla paste or extract, and then 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 4 cups of powdered sugar. And then we're just going to mix this until it's nice and fluffy. Now you want your cinnamon rolls golden on the edges as well as in the center. Now we're just going to spread our cream cheese frosting All right, friends, we're done. Our cinnamon rolls are out of the oven. They have cooled slightly. I probably cooled them a little too much because the icing is just kind of stuck there. Normally it will just like ooze into all the cracks and crevices. But you know, life happens, right? So anyway, we've cooled them slightly. We layered our cream cheese frosting on top. They look delicious. They smell delicious. Anyway, let's go. Let's get the show in the room. My battery is about to die. Anyway, these are yummy. They're delicious. We're gonna try one. I've already cut it for, you know, what did I say? TV magic or something? Look at that. All these layers. They're so delicious. So good. Make these. Make them for Christmas. Your family will love you. I promise. If they don't, then I will love you. Comment below if you have any other ideas you'd like us to make, you'd like me to make. There's not more than one of us, just me. Anyway, love y'all. Like, subscribe, comment, share, do all the things. And thank you again for watching. I know I ramble on, so I apologize. See y'all next week. Bye. Oh, Winnie, I'm sorry.